Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine, and for this machine we had to do a little bit of work, starting by replacing the transmission. This big piece that you see over here, unfortunately it wasn't getting all the way to this position, and it was not letting the machine know that there was enough coffee inside the brew infuser, which is this one that we also replace. Where is it? We're just warming up the cup, which is this one that we just replaced. So it was not letting enough room inside here to actually it wasn't reaching all the way up, basically. So that was the reason of the main problem with this transmission. So it needed to be replaced. We replaced that thing. We pretty much cleaned everything inside. We gave it the tuner. We replaced the infuser as well. Replaced the O-ring gasket from the generator. Deep cleaned everything inside as well. We also replaced some of the parts from the generator. It was leaking some of the parts, so we made sure it was no longer leaking. It's a little bit. So we've been doing a little bit of coffee already. We've been testing the machine, and we're gonna be doing coffee as well. So started over here. Instead of lubricating the transmission and the tune-up, we basically deep clean the grinder, disassemble these parts, and run a lot of get rid of all the oils and all from the coffee, and make sure everything's running smoothly on this tape on the back of the machine. On this chute, so to make sure everything's like really nice and clean inside. Alright, so you did that was a very tiny, oh yeah, we have it at a very tiny level, so let's just give it all the way to around 2 ounces. That should be there, and let's redo it again. Dump it out. Perfect, just in time. As you can see, extremely good water flow. 2 ounces? Over 2 ounces for sure, which is the level that we have it. We'll do that one more time. Still got enough beans in there. We also descale the machine. And deep clean the spouse as well. Disassemble the whole thing and make sure there's not any old coffee or anything inside. As you can see, it's doing it better. The machine needs to calibrate at least 3 shots in order to actually do more optimal water level and the grinding time of it as well. Now we're gonna do it again. Do we still have coffee? Yes, we do. Still have water? Yes. Excellent water flow, looking way better than the first one that we did. Should stop it by now, which is already calibrated ounces, which is great. Perfect. And now we're gonna be testing the steamer, not the hot water, since we already did. And then we're gonna open it up and show you the packs inside. Steamer should be like this. There you go. It's gonna take a little bit for the machine to actually get up to temperature. We're gonna see a bunch of steam going out through here, especially since we have the door open and it's definitely a little bit cold, so we're gonna be able to see the whole flow of the machine, basically. Alright, starting to build some pressure in there. Perfect. Excellent temperature. With pressure, no leaks on the side, and then anywhere in there. As you can see, yeah, working perfectly. And just like I said, we basically just these are the little packs that we just did, looking great, no leaks or anything like that. And this is what we clean. We disassemble everything and clean everything. So yeah, there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.